can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused. It's giving Black Barbie. I did the viral Fulani hairstyle on natural hair. Instead of you having braids at the back, you can actually like curl your hair. You can have a little fur. You don't have to break the bank to look good. You don't. I'm trying to put you on to the trends for the cheap. It's back to school season. I know you guys are all excited. Some of you guys are nervous, but I'm here for you, okay? This is what we're working with. It's my first time doing the little crossover here, so I'm so proud of myself. It's actually not hard. You just have to have a little technique, and I will show you how. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys, I think when I post this video, we're gonna be at 5K, and I cannot... Oh, I don't want to cry. I am so grateful for each and every one of you for joining in. So please like and subscribe, comment if you like the hairstyle, tell me if you tried it. I'm going to stop talking and show you how I did it. Here I am with my freshly washed hair. I usually stretch my hair with 4 braids the day before I have to do a hairstyle. So I did that, and today when I unraveled them, my hair was not as shrunken. To start off, I'm parting my hair from ear to ear, and if you watch my shorts, you've probably seen me do it 100 times by now.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, skimming, looting. I ain't your body.
Here I'm parting my hair with a straight back line to prep the section that's going to have 4 braids that will fall on my ears on both sides of my head. I always try to make everything as symmetrical as possible, or else I won't be satisfied. So yes, I will admit I am a hardcore perfectionist. Parting takes me hours, and when I say hours, you guys, I do mean hours, but I really want you guys to have fun doing this hairstyle. Like, don't be like me. What you want to do essentially is part small sections that will fall straight to your ears. I got these metal clips to keep my hair out of my way as I'm braiding, and what I'm telling you guys, it is a life changer. You need to get it if you have thick hair, curly hair, lots of hair. Matter of fact, any kind of hair. Like, this is going to make your life easier, I promise you. Let's get into the braiding.
You dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one fighting? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one fighting? Just tryna be your everything, main one fighting. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one?
Now that the 4 braids are done on each side of my head, I am going to move to the crisscross braid, which I thought was really complicated to do. But then I just kind of sat down and then took it in, and I figured out a system that worked for me, which is actually really simple. So just pay close attention to what I'm doing. I first part my hair with a straight back line to prep the section that I'm going to work with, and then I divide that section into equal pieces. The goal here is to create 2 parallel sections, which I'm going to divide with 2 perpendicular lines, resulting in 6 somewhat equal sections. This is really taking me back to geometry class, which I was not expecting, so I really hope that my explanations make sense. If not, the visuals speak for themselves.
Are you blaming miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I
Let's name our sections, shall we? So I have section 1 and section 2. Now, each sections are divided into 3 subsections, which we're going to call A, B, C. Now, I already started braiding section 1A, and now I am creating 2 perpendicular lines onto section 2. And I am going to continue braiding section 1A onto section 2B, which is going to create a sort of zigzag line. Did that make sense? Because that was the best ever explanation I could give.
with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Now, once I'm done with section 2B, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to continue the zigzag onto section 1C. Once the first zigzag is done, I'm simply going to connect section 2A, 1B, and 2C together.
Yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, so. You make me so.
Now this part is what I consider to be the easiest. I'm just going to create this sort of U shape around my head, which I'm going to divide in 2 and then create these sort of curved right angles, which are going to be braided on opposite sides of each other.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a man I want, and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's you might really love her. This is gonna be a business. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, man, now I'm a basement. Now you lay your face down, I'll be saying over. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'll be in there just to tell me there's a man, I just want you.
Here I'm parting my hair with straight back lines on each side of my fro, which you guessed it will serve for 2 straight back cornrows.
my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need.
Here I'm creating this sort of curved right angle, which I'm going to braid through.
My friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Here I'm creating the same sort of curved right angle, but it's just going to start on the opposite side.
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share. But they call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's same thing. I don't wanna do around with that shit, baby. I love you, but you ain't rockin' girl. Say my name, you like to count the state of it. Baby, you wanna say my name.
Here I make sure to stay really concentrated because I want to create a line that's going to go through the middle of my head. Now, I just want to ask, please tell me in the comments, does anyone else feel the middle of their head when they're parting their hair? Even if you're not looking, you just feel like it's either out of place, like you just know, you guys. Please let me know in the comments. I would just like to know that I'm not the only one feeling these things. I digress. Here I'm creating my third crisscross, which is going to be different from the two other ones. This one is only going to have one crossover, so it's going to be definitely easier, less time consuming. It's going to have 4 sections in total. So section, we have 1, we have 2, and they're both divided in 2. So 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, and 1A is simply going to go on to 2B, and 2A is simply going to go on to 1B.
Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Rush outside no more. Neither of us wanna be inside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you.
Here are the braids all completed. I think they came out quite clean, even though they did take me hours to do. The end result is all that matters, and it came out quite nice, if I do say so myself. I want to share with you guys a very important moment in my life. It is my first time ever getting crumble cookies, and I was so excited when the cookies came through my doorsteps, you guys. They came in nice and warm. So I got apple crumb cake, French toast, and salted caramel cheesecake. I already had French toast off camera, I will admit, but my favorite was salted caramel cheesecake for sure. I really wish I had gotten 2 of those.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
This is my hair the next morning, or rather after I got a couple hours of sleep, and my hair is looking good. I love my fur through and through, but I wanted to define my curls today, and my favorite way to do it is to use my flaxseed gel from Reclaim Your Crown with water. This flaxseed gel is one of my favorite products for natural hair that I own because it is not greasy and it really does the job within 8 to 15 minutes at most, you guys. Like, I have a lot of hair, which, if we're gonna be honest, takes me hours to do, but this flaxseed gel really is a lifesaver because it gets me good results in no time. Like, my curls really be popping for real, and I only use water, the flaxseed gel, and my fingers. That's it. I am definitely going to link the Flaxseed gel in the description down below because which girl wouldn't want their curls popping within 8 to 15 minutes, right? I am here for the girls and the girls only, so I got y'all.
You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
This is the result after my hair dried up, which is super cute, so you could definitely stop here, but you can't really see the crisscross that I did earlier, so I decided to add these ball hair ties. They are so on theme with the Black Barbie vibes because in the Barbie World music video with Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice, Nicki has these pigtails with these same hair ties, so I thought it would be the perfect addition to tie the look together.
Lazy and broke.
And here is the final look. I am so proud of how this came out. Even though it took me hours to do, it was all worth it at the end. This is the perfect back to school hairstyle. Actually, for all year round, fall, winter, spring, summer, it will definitely make you feel like you're that girl. But let me know what you think in the comments. Have you already tried the hairstyle? Are you planning on trying it after watching the video? Let me know which hairstyle I should do next. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I know Barbie is on brand right now, and this is really giving Black Barbie, guys. Like, did I lie?
Baby, can you focus on me?